Hello, good day, mom and sir. My name is LVG Isidro, 47 years old from Philippines. I have four kids, aged 25, 22, 13, and 12. I have experience as a domestic helper, more than 2 years in Riyadh and more than 1 year in Kuwait. I have a special skills for take care baby, cooking, household services all around in a house. And also I am willing to work with co-workers, and my personality is a simple person, and I am take care for elderly, to take care for give medicines for kids, for new baby, to I am take care for sleep. I am singing if needed, and for adult I also take care for wash clothes, and help for baby to go to school. If you choose me, mom, I do my best in your family. I serve in your family, and I do my best also. Thank you, mom and sir.